It says recording.
Okay, so this one is the hot air humidifier, and you can see down in here there's all these minerals floating around. It's not so bad because I've only been running it for about a week or so, but if you don't clean that out, it'll build all up in here and it gets pretty bad. So that's why it's best if you rinse it out. I wouldn't do it every day, but once a week at least. So what's the best way to clean that?
I don't know. Maybe, I wonder if you could use
Vinegar?
Polydent tablets in there.
Oh yeah. So this isn't that bad. I'm just going to scrub it out with a little cleanser. But I tried vinegar on and it helps a little bit, but if it gets real bad, you just got to break it off with like a screwdriver or something. You don't clean them for a while. I got that one video where I tried to fix the old one because no one ever said I was supposed to clean them out, and it got so bad that it couldn't be cleaned. So it's still a little crusty, but it's good.
I wouldn't use toilet cleaner on it, but you could probably use something like Polydent or different things in them.
Lime away.
Yeah, maybe. That show the bottom.
Yeah, so this is where it really builds up. That right there gets hot, but it builds up all along here. You can see how that's like it's like a powder.
There's all minerals on that strainer.
Yeah. But that's the part that you really have to wash. So you can see that's even only after a week. You can see inside here. See, that's like gravel or sand. It's probably in the directions. Clean it out. Maybe if you rinse it out. Well, even if you rinse it out daily, it wouldn't help, right? Because that's what we do with the coffee pot, right? So it still fills up. So you gotta do something with it.
I think you're supposed to use vinegar and salt.
So vinegar and salt once a week.
So that you got to do the end of that strainer with something.
Strainer.
On there.
That's not a strainer. That's a heater.
Looks like it's all caked on there.
Yeah, it's that's a piece of metal.
Can't you run the toothbrush over it?
That's the part that gets hot. See, once that builds up, there's really not much you can do with it. Lime away. I got this toilet bowl cleaner here.
Oh, I don't know. Might ruin it. Your toilet bowl is ceramic or glass. It won't eat.
Works basic.
No toilet cleaners. Wonder if it would work if you put it in the water.
This doesn't work all that great either. So. That's why you gotta clean it out.
Yeah,
Because
but
this builds up. Leave it soak for a while or what?
scrape it with your fingernail.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna help. You can scrape it with a knife and it ain't gonna help. So you won't be able to get it all, but you'll be able to get most of it.
What about toothpaste?
You think?
I don't know, it's supposed to help keep the tartar off your teeth.
This is like cement on here. That's why you gotta keep up on it so it doesn't build up a lot. And this one's only like, what, a year old maybe? I think the other one went bad. Yeah, it's probably been a couple years now. But it only gets used a few months a year during the winter. You can't even get the toothbrush down in there to scrub it. It's such a tight. See, the vinegar seems to be breaking it up.
Yeah, you could probably mix baking soda and vinegar and salt. Anything that's kind of harmless. Better than it was.
Yeah.
Well, you don't want too many hours of scraping the thing.
Yeah. Toothpaste, huh? Okay.
Try that.
I'll try some toothpaste here. I guess it did work a little bit. Just like a cleanser. Yeah, it worked.
So when the fan comes on, it makes the mist in the air.
What would be the difference between a hot air and cold air?
Well, that sponge stays wet in the cool mist. So that brings the moisture up around the fan.
Okay, so this one's clean. That one's clean enough. There's still some minerals down there at the bottom, but I'm not gonna worry about it. If you want, you can fill that up a little bit. Instead of doing it like that here. If I put this on here, see, this one's got that little catch there, so it won't fall off. That's why I tape the other one up. And then you put this on here. It's the same thing. It drains water into the bottom.
It's full. I can see the water down there.
Let's see where the water went. So if you wanted to pre-fill it, that's how you would do it. It's just this thing and this area here. So it drips down into here and then runs over here and fills this up. So not the outer edge. Yeah, I was filling up the whole thing. So.
Yeah, it'd be spilling all over the floor.
Yeah. This one's easier to fill up because it's got a big hole, but it's harder to get off too, especially if you tighten it up too much.
And especially if you've got a small hand and you can't get a hold of it.
Yeah. But if you just put a rag on it or a towel, it's a lot easier to turn.
It's easier to set it on the floor before
And
you
then
put the water container on
You can
it.
see how this has got a high and a low. On low, it takes about 8 hours or more to go through a whole tank. On high, it'll go through the whole tank in an hour or two. So. Okay? Okay, see ya. Bye.
And don't set it underneath this thing,
Oh, okay.
because
Okay.
it steams the bottom of the
Okay.
sink.
I'm going to leave that off for a while in case the electronics got wet.